children, welcome to our class Nana. Yesterday in day 2 class, in our day 2 class we have learned about integers. What is mean by integers, what is mean by positive numbers, what is mean by negative numbers we have learned. And today we will go for exercise 1. Now those are textbooks, take out your textbooks. Page number 2 Nana, see exercise 1. Page number 2, exercise 1. Now see, today we will go for exercise chapter 1. Our first chapter is integers and first exercise is exercise 1, first question. Chapter 1, exercise 1. First question. Some integers are marked on the number line. Which is the biggest and which is the smallest? First question is, some integers are marked on the number line. Marked on the number line. Which is the biggest and which is the biggest and which is the smallest and which is the smallest. First question has completed. Now here we have number line. Now here in your textbooks, here we have number line. Now I am drawing that number line. Integers number line Nana. The collection of both positive numbers, negative numbers and 0. 0 is either positive, neither positive nor negative. In middle we have 0. They have given 0 Nana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. Now they have given circle for 2 and they have given circle for -3. Now question has completed. Now see the solution. Some integers are marked on the number line. These integers are marked on the number line. Which is the biggest and which is the smallest? Now they have given circles for these two numbers. For 2 they have given circle. For 3 they have given circle. Out of these two numbers, now we have to find what is the smaller number and what is the greatest number. Now these are the plus numbers, positive numbers. These are the negative numbers, minus numbers. In middle we have 0. Always, I said already, always positive numbers are greater numbers, negative numbers are smaller numbers. Positive means plus. Plus numbers are greater numbers, minus numbers are smaller numbers. 2, for this 2 there is no symbol, but you have to treat there is a symbol, that is plus only. It is plus 2, it is minus 3. Out of these two numbers, what is the greatest and what is the smallest number? 2 is the greatest number, minus 3 is the smallest number, because always positive numbers are greater numbers. So 2 is the greatest and 3 is the smallest number. So biggest number is biggest number. What is the biggest number Nana? 2. Next, smallest number. Smallest number. What is the smallest number Nana? Smallest number is -3. First solution has completed. Like this you have to do. Now second bit. Second question. See the second question Nana in your textbooks. Write the integers between the pairs of integers given below. Also choose the biggest and smallest integers from them. Second one. Write the integers between the pairs of integers just given below. Also choose the biggest and the smallest integers from them. Biggest and smallest integers from them. Smallest integers from them. Now they have given first question -5 comma -10. Now first of all, have you understood the heading? See, write the integers between the pairs of integers given below. They have given two pairs of integers. They have given two numbers. These two numbers are called pairs. Now they are asking write the integers between. That means between -5 and -10. How many integers are there between -5 and -10? Now we have to find it. Right? Also choose the biggest and the smallest integers from them. Now we have to find how many integers are lies between -5 and -10, and out of all the numbers we have to find what is the greatest integer and what is the smallest integer from them. For that, now between -5 and now we have to find between -5 and -10 how many integers are lies between these two. Now for that I am drawing the number. Now see solution -5 comma -10 between these two. Further I am drawing the number line. Both are negative numbers only, so I am drawing only negative number line. Now between -5 and -10. -5 and -10. From here onwards I will take -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9, -10. It is the number line. Now the number line has completed. Both are negative numbers only, so I have drawn negative number line. Negative numbers number line. Now see between -5 and -10. -5 and -10. Here we have -10. Here we have -5. From -5 to -10. Now -5 to -10. -5 they have already given, so don't count for -5. -10 also they have given already, so don't count -9. Now say how many integers are there? -9, -8, -7, -6. We have 4 integers between -5 and -10. So we'll write -9, comma -8, comma -7, comma -6. Between -5 and -8 we have -9, comma -8, comma -7, comma -6. 4 integers are there. Now we got 4 integers. Now what is the next question? Also choose the biggest and the smallest integer from them. Now out of all from these 4 integers, we have to find what is the greatest integer and what is the smallest integer. Now biggest integer. Always negative numbers are smaller numbers, positive numbers are greater numbers, I said, because here, yes, that is correct. But here we don't have any positive numbers. All are negative numbers only. In negative numbers we have to remember one thing I said already. The greater number becomes smaller number becomes greater number. Now we have to find biggest integer. That means how to find biggest integer? Greater number becomes smaller number becomes greater. 6, 7, 8, 9. Out of all these numbers, what is the smallest number? 6. So -6 is the first greatest number. Already I said in negative numbers, greater number becomes smaller number becomes greater. So smaller number becomes greater. Biggest integer has completed. Now smallest integer. Greater number becomes smaller. 9 is the greater number, so -9 is the smallest number. Now greater number, smaller number, both are completed. Now second question, between 3 comma minus 2. Second one, between 3 comma minus 2. 3 comma minus 2. We'll find second solution. 3 comma minus 2. Here also we have to find between 3 comma minus 2 how many integers are lies between 3 comma minus 2. Here we have positive numbers and negative numbers. That means the number line is about integers. Middle we have to write 0. Right side positive numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Enough. Next left side negative numbers. -1, -2, -3, -4. Enough. We have up to -2 only, -2 up to enough. Now from +3 to -2. Where we have +3 here? Here we have +3 to -2. From here to here. Already they have given +3, so don't count +3. Already they have given -2, so don't count -2. Now count. How many integers are there? 2, 1, 0, -1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 integers are lies between 3, -2. What are the integers? From here to here we have to count. So don't write 3, -2 because they have already in the question. 3, -2. Don't write. Now write from here onwards. 2, 1, 0, -1, up to -1. Enough. Now we have to find what is the biggest number, what is the smallest number. Biggest number of biggest integer. I will write biggest integer only. Next, smallest integer. Biggest integer 2, 1, 0, -1. Here we have positive numbers and here we have positive numbers and negative numbers. Both numbers are there, but positive numbers are greater numbers. What are the positive numbers here? 2, 1. Both are the positive numbers. Out of these two, what is the greatest number? 2 is the greatest number. So biggest integer is 2. Now biggest integer completed. Now come to the smallest integer. Smallest integer 2, 1, 0, -1. We have 4 integers. Out of these, what is the smallest number? Now most of you are thinking that 0 is the smallest number, but that is not correct, Nana. I think you are thinking 0 only because 0 is the smallest number. You are thinking like that. I think so, but that is wrong because negative numbers are less than 0. 0 kante kuda chinnavi negative numbers. Here we have one negative number. What is the negative number? -1. Negative numbers are less than 0. 0 kante kuda chinnavi. Negative numbers are less than 0. Because of that reason, -1 is a smallest number. Like this. Negative numbers are now it has completed. Now first second problem has completed. Now the fourth question is -8, 5. Third question is -8, 5. Now we have to write the number line again. Up to how much? Up to -8 plus 5. Now I am drawing the number line. Here we have one positive number also. Positive number is 5. Negative number is -8. So in middle I am writing. I am taking 0. Positive numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next negative numbers are -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8. Now we have to find between -8, 5. How many integers are lies between -8, 5? Where is -8? Here we have -8. Where is 5? Not -5, Nana, +5. That means right side. Here 0 is there. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we have 5. That means between here minus 8, here 5. Between these two, this many integers are there. That are 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, minus 1, 2, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. Don't go for minus 8. Here already we have minus 8 in the question. Now we will write the integers. What are the integers? 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. These are the integers between minus 8, 5. Now we have to find biggest and the smallest integer. Biggest integer. What is the biggest integer in this? Always positive numbers are greater numbers. So because of that reason, only go for the positive numbers. What are the positive numbers here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Only these are the positive numbers. Out of all these positive numbers, what is the greatest number? 4 is the greatest number. So 4 is the answer. Now smallest integer. Smallest integer. Now integer. Smallest integer means now smaller number means go for negative numbers. What are the negative numbers here? Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. I said already negative numbers. Smaller number becomes greater. Greater number becomes smaller. Now we want to find smallest integer. That means minus 7 becomes the smallest integer. Did you get any doubt? Madam, here 0 also is there. 0 is the smallest number. No? Then why are you saying minus 7 means? In second problem only I said negative numbers are less than 0. Negative numbers are less than 0. So don't think about 0, not 0. Minus 7 is the smallest integer because in negative numbers, smaller number becomes greater, greater number becomes smaller. Because of that reason, smallest integer is minus 7. Now second bit has completed. Now third bit. Write the following integers. Third bit. Write the following integers in ascending order. Smallest to biggest. Smallest to biggest. Write the following integers in ascending order. Third, ascending order means the arrangement of numbers from smaller to greater is known as ascending order. Write the following integers. In ascending order. Ascending order means smaller to greater. The arrangement of numbers from smaller to greater is known as ascending order. Now they have given in your textbook. Smallest to biggest. Now first question. Minus 5, 2, 1, minus 8. Now these are the integers. Now we have to arrange these integers in ascending order. That means smaller number to greater number. Ascending order. A means ascending order, Nana. Ascending order. Small to big we have to write. Smaller number means first of all you have to think about negative numbers because always negative numbers are smaller numbers. Because of that reason, first of all you have to think about negative numbers. What are the negative numbers here? Minus 5, minus 8. Both are the negative numbers. 2, 1. Both are positive numbers. Out of minus 5, minus 8, what is the first smallest number? Greater number becomes smaller. Smaller number becomes greater. Greater number becomes smaller. So minus 8 is a greater number. Next minus 5, 1, 2. It is the ascending order. Now first question has completed. Now see the second one. What is the second question, Nana? Minus 4, minus 3, minus 5, 2. Minus 4, minus 3, minus 5, 2. Now we have to arrange these numbers from small to big. Small to big. Ascending order. The arrangement of numbers from smaller number to greater number is known as ascending order. Now minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 5, minus 2. Out of the 4 integers, what is the first smallest number? In a smaller number, that means you have to always go for negative numbers. Negative numbers. Minus 4, minus 3, minus 5. These 3 are the negative numbers. Out of these 3 negative numbers, what is the first smallest number? Greater number becomes smaller. Greater number becomes smaller. Greater number becomes smaller. Minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, last 2. It is the ascending order. Last third question. -10 comma -15 comma -7. Now we have to arrange these numbers from small to big. Ascending order. The arrangement of numbers from greater number to smaller number is known as ascending order. Now all are negative numbers only. Negative numbers, greater number becomes smaller, smaller number becomes greater. Greater number is -15, next -10, next -7. Now ascending order has completed. Now see the fourth bit. Write the following integers in descending order. Write the following integers in descending order. What do you mean by descending order? The arrangement of numbers from greater number to smaller number is known as descending order. Quote the first question. -2 comma -3 comma -5. Are you seeing your textbook? -2 comma -3 comma -5 here. Third bit has completed ascending order. Now fourth bit. Write the following integers in descending order. Descending order means biggest to smallest. Now we are discussing fourth bit. First question is -2 comma -3 comma -5. Now we have to arrange these numbers from greater number to smaller number. Greater number to smaller number. Descending order. Now all are negative numbers only. In negative numbers, smaller number becomes greater. Greater number becomes smaller. We have to write from greater number to smaller number. Greater number to smaller number. The order hasn't changed because 2 is the first greatest number, -3, -5. They have given already. Now see, -2, -3, -5. In negative numbers I said already. Smaller number becomes greater. Out of all these numbers, 2 is the first smallest number. So smaller number becomes greater. Big to small we are writing. So -2 becomes first. If -2 is completed, which are remains? -3 comma -5. Both are remains. Out of these two, what is the smallest number? Smaller number becomes greater now. What is the smallest number? 3 is the smaller number. So 3 becomes next. Next, last only 5 remains. 5 we have to write next. Like that. Now what is the second question? -8, -2, -1. -8 comma -2 comma -1. We have to arrange these numbers from bigger to smaller. Descending order. Greatest to smallest. In negative number, smaller number becomes greater. Smaller number becomes greater. Smaller number becomes greater. Greater number becomes smaller. Now third one. 5 comma 8 comma -2. 5 comma 8 comma -2. 5 comma 8 comma -2. Descending order, big to small. Now big descending order means you have to think about positive numbers. What are the positive numbers here? Positive. 5 comma 8 both are positive numbers. Only -3 is negative number. Now they are saying greater to smaller. Now if you have both positive numbers and negative numbers, then if they ask about big to small, then you have to think about positive numbers only, because always positive numbers are greater numbers. So we are writing from greater to smaller now. So these two are the positive numbers. Out of these two positive numbers, 8 is the first greatest number. Next 5, next -2. Now ascending order, descending order has completed. Last. Represent 6 comma -4 comma 0 and 4 on a number line. Fifth one. Represent 6 comma -4 comma 0 and 4 on a number line. On a number line. Now we have to represent these numbers. Given numbers are what they have given solution. Given numbers or given numbers. Given numbers are 6 comma -4 comma 0 comma 4. Now they have given these numbers. Now we have to represent these numbers on a number line. Here we have some positive numbers. What are the positive numbers here? 6 comma 4. Both are positive numbers. Only -4 is the negative number, and here we have 0 also. That means we have to draw the integers number line. Do you know how to draw the integers number line? As you know, the collection of positive numbers, negative numbers and 0 are called integers. Now we will draw the integers number line. Number line. While you are drawing integers number line, first in middle you have to write 0. Right side. This is your right side. Positive numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, left side, negative numbers. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. Now number line has completed. Now first we have to represent 6. Now it is +6 or -6? Very good, it is +6. Always plus means positive. Positive numbers are lies to the right side. It is your right side. Now where is 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we have 6. 6 has completed. Next, -4. Always negative numbers are lies to the left side. It is your left side. Now we need -4 here. -1, -2, -3, -4. It is -4. It is -4. Now where is 0? On a integers number line, where we will have 0, Nana? In middle. Positive numbers, negative numbers, here we have 0. Now last 4. 4 is +4 or -4? +4. +4 means positive or negative? Positive. Positive numbers are lies to the right side. It is your right side, so we need 4. Where is 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? 4 has completed. So, in our exercise 1, how many problems we have completed today? We have completed up to 5th bit. So, you have to copy up to 5 bits in your notebook. Tomorrow we will discuss 6th bit and 7th bit. Afterwards, we will learn about, in next class, we will learn about operations of integers. So, everybody have to write neatly. Chapter 1. First of all, you have to open your notebook and you have to write chapter name, integers. Afterwards, write exercise 1. Question with black pen, answer with blue pen. You have to write neatly. Okay? Up to 5 minutes. Okay, children? Write neatly, and in our next class, we will learn about operations of integers. Okay? Very good.